UX Pro, the latest large-format interactive display for enterprise from Clevertouch. Available in a range of sizes for all applications. Crystal clear audio and video with powerful built-in features for all your meetings. Save energy with proximity sensors, which turn on or off when they detect movement. Sync with your MS Exchange or Office 365 calendar to see instantly when a room is busy or available. Book the room with a single click. Log into your settings with your account profiles and access your favorite cloud accounts of Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox. Present without limitations with our Infinity Canvas Whiteboard app. Connect any device on any platform using the USB-C Clevershare dongle or with the Clevershare app. Share projects with others and mark up in real time. Invite collaborators to join your meeting via video. This web browser-based platform requires no software or app download. Turn your Clevertouch into a digital signage display, so when it isn't in use, you can advertise, give company information, or welcome visiting clients. Upgrade to a Windows 10 Pro state-of-the-art latest Intel OPS module. Continue using your existing applications and add any camera for a truly flexible solution. Work on or off the network. Lock down settings. Wipe your data at the end of a session with one click. Device management and over-the-air updates all controlled remotely. No additional or ongoing expensive subscriptions. A decade of top industry awards. UX Pro from Clevertouch.